Okay everyone, this is how to repurpose someone else's reels, so download it and use it in your editing app. So I had this request from one of my clients and I thought I'd just do this video for you guys and for her to show her how to do it. So basically what she wants to do, this is the video that she sent me, she wants to repurpose this because she likes this, but she wants to use this video and the text part. And a lot of other clients have this kind of video. They want to use like a movie expert or whatever that someone else has used, but they want to replace themselves and put this up. So how you do it is very simple, and I found out a pretty easy way to do it. So you want to go to your app store, and this is the app that you need to download. It's one of the easiest little social media management tools, but they have some cool free tools that I didn't even know about that I'm actually pretty excited about. You don't even need to use it. So when you even sign in, this is what it looks like, and I'm not signed in. They do have free tools down here, but it doesn't have like a media downloader or anything. But once that's signed in, you basically just go back, and this is on iPhone, I haven't tried it on Android, but it should be the same. You just press the share button, and share to down the bottom. This is on Instagram here. And you can see that it's there. Don't click that. You don't need to click that at all. You just need to click view more. And if you scroll down, it says download. If I press download there, it looks like it starts downloading the media. Very quickly, and you just go open in gallery. And there it is. Oh, sorry, that's a memory, recently saved. And you can see it's right there, already downloaded. So that's literally, and you can now in your editing app, so let's say we're going to do it in edits, you go gallery, we add that video, tick, and all we have to do is cut that first part off, find that exact spot where that comes in, and add our new media down here. So we're literally going to add, and literally just say add camera or gallery. Let's just put a video of myself. There it is. And you can see that add video adds beforehand. I'm just doing a sample, and you can add your text above it there. So add text and whatever it said before, putting my art up or something like that, art up. You change the font and text and details however you like. And it literally comes up there, and then you cut it just before that, and there you are. It's all done. Now you can add your music. Now I think Rihanna was on that one. So whatever music you have there, you can make sure that that audio is muted on this side, and you can add new audio. I think it was Umbrella. I'm not spelling it right. There we are. So it looks like that. I think it cut in somewhere here. So you've got to do a little bit of tweaking yourself the way you want to. Or if you want to use exactly the same audio that they used, now that's should kick in right at the same time. But if you wanted to use their audio that they had on this, you just go down here, and we should be able to go audio. There should be extract audio down the back end here, extract audio. And you can bring that across to the front. And if that's extracted audio now. So it works very simply. That's how to do that, and really easily with that application. Now, it works the same on Facebook. Now, I do follow this lady. I think she's quite funny, but she uses a lot of excerpts here. So I'm just going to find one of her reels. I think it was one of these earlier ones. Let me just actually go into her app, her family thing. There was a reel here that I really liked before. I think it was this one. This kid, and you can see that he's having a great time looking at it. And she uses a horn honk. And then she's in a car, which is great. So pretty much the exact same concept on Facebook as well. You go share, and if you scroll across and go more, it should come up with download. So you download that. And it might take a little while, but it will be, oh, there we go. And it will be ready and added in. You go open in gallery. And it should be our second video. It might take a little while, but there it is. And then do the exact same concept. And do the exact same concept in edits or any of the editing apps that you have. You add that video in from gallery. Tick. Putting it at the very start. Let's just delete the extracted audio. You find out where exactly that cut and that horn. And you find out where she jumped in. You split it there, and that's what I would use. And she just makes a cool video about that. But then you can add your own cool video in, but there. We've muted that track, so if we want to see that. And honk. And it goes into your own thing. Now, you don't need to use my face, but you use whatever you want. So that, guys, is how to repurpose or download and repurpose other people's reels on Facebook and Instagram. It should work the same on TikTok if you're using it just with that application. That is the best free tool that I could find for you to do this easily on your phone. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.